Designed with a small footprint to organize nail art tools while taking up less space. Made from a single piece with the highest quality crystalline acrylic for a flawless clear look, no glued pieces. Size 5L by 2.16 W by 2.16 H inches, 0.34 inch regular slots, 20.50 inch jumbo slots. Please also see the dimension photo. Organize 26 individual nail art tools. Thick acrylic with rounded edges offers a beautiful look and feel. Packaged in soft protective foam within a black and metallic silver box. Top reviews from the United States. Organized. It's so much easier grabbing what I need now. I don't need to go rummaging around for my nail art tools, everything is right where I can see it. Heavier than I thought it was going to be, but that's a good thing, so I know it won't fall over from brushes and other tools I put in it.